Algorand's EMA truly shows a by and large descending pattern in a genuinely huge manner. As far as ALGO support floor, it is currently 29 cents, or so they explicitly thought. ALGO falls 16.82% in 7 days, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand especially is as of now esteemed at 13 cents the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will essentially walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and genuinely attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense clarified pressing issues. What for the most part is momentary cost expectation for Algorand. Truly is ALGO a generally excellent venture, or so they explicitly thought. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the ALGO specialized investigation, let us discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which basically is very huge, market examination over the last 24 hours. There really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1.106,973,065,872 incredibly. The sort of complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $25,050,644,957 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33%. Exceptionally further appearance how the all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $25,050,644,957 extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0%. Especially further appearance how Algorand support and opposition levels and so forth, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in every practical sense, has seen a value diminishing of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, showing that the by and large complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $25,050,644,957 in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time period, which in a real sense is very critical. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 1.93 and right now exchanging at 53 cents. By and large further appearance how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 1.93 and at present exchanging at 53 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem and in every way that really matters, large way. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market truly is going in a sort of descending bearing for sort of present moment, which truly is genuinely critical. As of now, a fundamentally broad, essentially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Support basically is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become certainly more truly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exceptionally further appearance how Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%. Sort of additional appearance how the fundamentally complete exchanging volume basically remains at $25,050,644,957 in an essentially significant manner. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which vendors for the most part move fundamentally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. By and large further appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0%. Kind of additional appearance how Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand. Algorand execution. The truly current Algorand cost in every practical sense is 13 cents, with an exchanging volume of $36,882,939 in the all things considered recent hours, which really is genuinely huge. At present, ALGO generally is up by 0.42% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $906,447,886 USD in an unpretentious manner. Algorand Value Examination ALGO Cost Investigation for the 9th of June 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time span in a real sense made sense of beneath, exhibiting how various elective digital currency, as ETHEREUM especially, has seen a value decline of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, showing that the all things considered, all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $25,050,644,957 in an unpretentious manner, but utilize most certainly relative strength index, moving truly normal union and disparity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving kind of normal and outstanding moving pretty normal to examine the future development of the Algorand. Truly, in spite of prevalent thinking by and large, the Algorand for the most part has especially break all its in a real sense upholds levels, and things explicitly are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market in a by and large significant manner. At present, in every practical sense, bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take ALGO cost beneath the pivotal help level of 29 cents. Showing how right now, sort of bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively certainly take ALGO cost underneath the essential help level of 29 cents, which generally is very critical. While ALGO's Williams %R marker basically is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange especially signal basically is especially conceivable at this reach. So while ALGO's Williams %R pointer in a real sense is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition, a exchange genuinely signal sort of is really conceivable at this reach, which is genuinely critical. The ALGO USD moving commonly normal union and disparity pointer most certainly is demonstrating a truly present moment in every practical sense. Sell sort of sign as the MACD line explicitly is moving beneath commonly signal line, which sort of means truly bears in every practical sense are ruling on the lookout, which sort of shows that Algorand truly is buy and buy esteemed at 13 cents the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these much of the time sort of clarified something. What sort of is fundamentally transient cost expectation for Algorand? Certainly is ALGO a genuinely wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. The kind of relative strength record shows that the ALGO coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI basically is at 31, so right now, ALGO truly is up by 0.42% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $906,447,886 USD in a genuinely enormous manner. Ends ALGO cost in every practical sense is moving in sideways course, so Algorand certainly is buy and buy esteemed at 13 cents the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer these as often as possible, basically clarified something. What in a real sense is by and large momentary cost expectation for Algorand? For the most part is ALGO an essentially wise venture, by and large as opposed